Hi boys and girls, good morning. All right, welcome to video 2 of your Fundations today. We are going to be working on a new word of the day. Our word of the day is ham. Can we tap it together? Ready? Ham. And remember, when we have the AM, we are going to box our glued sound. So let's try it one more time. Ready? Ham. Good job. We do not separate the A and the M there. Okay. So we're going to practice building some words with am, and I'm going to add different beginning sounds, and then you're going to help me blend them. So what about if we start with B? Let's tap that out together. Let me move it up here where we can see it a little bit better. Let's tap this out together. Ready? B, am, bam. Good job. Let's try another one. Let's do, ready? Am, ram. Great job. Let's try another one. Let's do, this is the name of a person. Let's do am, Pam. Great job. Let's try another one. Let's do, ready? Jam. Now, if I take that letter away, boys and girls, this actually right here, this is a word right here. Just am is a word by itself, like I am Mrs. O'Hara. So you can even just use our glued sound as a word by itself. All right. And let's go ahead and go to our next slide. Actually, let's do a couple nonsense words, okay? What if I have a T? Ready? Am, tam. Is that a real word? It's a nonsense word, but we can still blend it, okay? Let's try one more. Let's do C-H-A-M. Let's try that. Ready? Am, cham. Now, that's a silly word. It's not a real word, but we can still practice blending with it, okay? All right, so what I would like you to do next, boys and girls, is I would like you to get out your octopus book. Let me find mine. Here we go. I would like you to get out your octopus book, and you are going to go into the vocabulary section. And let me check the page number. Whoops, I didn't want to move myself. I just wanted to move. Nope. Let's try it now. There we go. You're going to be on page 38. And we are going to enter our word of the day. Okay? And we're going to enter our word of the day, which is ham. So you should see the letter H. Let me make myself a little bit smaller. That way it's easier to get around on here. Okay, so I'll give you a minute. If you need to pause the video and go ahead and find your page, go ahead and pause it. And then you can pick back up whenever you're ready. So we are going to do the word of the day, ham, okay? So up here, we're going to write ham. So we're going to do H, lowercase, sky to grass. Then we're going to do A. And we're going to do M. And don't forget to box in your glued sound, A-M. Okay, go ahead and add your box. And then we're going to do a sentence using the word ham, okay? So how about we do we'll do the sentence, the ham fell on the floor. Okay, that uses some of our trick words too. So let's start with the, okay, capital T for the beginning of a sentence. Just follow along with me. The, make sure you're putting your letters on the right lines. The ham, and we'll go back and mark it together. Okay, so we're going to write the sentence first, and then we'll go back and we'll mark it. The ham fell. So this would be a word with a bonus letter from last week. So L E L-L, the ham fell on and then I'm going to go down to the second line for this one. Scroll down a little bit. The ham fell on the and then floor, which is fl, is actually an L blend. We haven't learned our L blends yet, but F-L, and then we have O-O-R. The ham fell on the floor. Don't forget to put your period at the end. Okay, so once you are done with that, we're going to go ahead and mark up our sentence and practice reading it together 2 times, okay? So you're going to circle trick word the. We're going to box our glued sound am, and don't forget actually to underline the digraph in the. Then we are going to star our bonus letter on fell. We're going to circle the again down here. Underline the digraph, TH, and then nothing on floor. So let's go ahead and practice reading the sentence 2 times together. Ready? The ham fell on the floor. One more time. The ham fell on the floor. Great job. Okay, if you need to pause the video and finish your sentence, go ahead and do that. And then we are going to move on to the next part of Fundations, which is our trick words. Let's see here. Word of the day. Okay. Now after that, actually before we move on, or yes, we're going to move on to our trick words. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this sentence, boys and girls. And I'm going to read it to you, and then we're going to find our new trick word. So this present is from Jan. Let me read it one more time and see if you can point to the new trick word. See if you can find it. This present is from Jan. If you are pointing to the word from, you are correct. Let me get my fancy pen out here. Creative pen. We like that. That makes it fun. And we are going to circle the word from. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the next sentence. Remember, in our sentences, we always make sure there's a capital letter and a period at the end. Let's take a look at our next sentence. It says, do you have your ticket? I would like you to point to the word that you think is the new trick word. Let me read it one more time. Do you have your ticket? If you were pointing to the word your, you are correct. The word, or I'm sorry, Mrs. O'Hara's going crazy. That's an old trick word. Our new one is have. I'm sorry, boys and girls. Okay, so do you have your ticket? Have is our new trick word. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we are going to go ahead and we're going to review our old trick words real quick. So I'm going to make myself nice and big so you can see my cards. Hello. All right, let's go through our old trick words. I'll say it, you say it. Ready? Into, to, a,